This is a poly tarp we are using for an awning cover, and we found that without attachment points in the middle, the tarp would tear in high wind, so we needed to attach some velcro strips in the middle of the tarp. And we tried multiple times with different types of adhesives, hot glue gun, plastic adhesives. Nothing would hold the velcro onto the tarp, so we finally figured out how to get this to hold. We're going to show you how it's done, and if you like our video, please hit those like and subscribe buttons. So these are our supplies for this project. We have our tarp and we have the velcro strapping we're going to attach. We have silicone we're going to use to seal. Going to use a wood awl to make the initial hole through the tarp. And then we have stainless steel washers. We're going to use number 6 by 5/8 stainless steel fender washers, and those will be sandwiched around some 3/16 by 1 1/4 inch stainless steel fender washers. The tarp will sit between those two larger washers. We have a box of aluminum 1/8 inch rivets and a rivet. You can see this is a seam on the tarp, so there's a double layer of material there. It should be stronger. So that's where we're going to install them. I've marked all my spots, and we'll go ahead and get started here. So I've got my velcro. I'm going to go ahead and use the awl, put a hole through the velcro. I've got the rivets and the washers. So I take a rivet, put on one of the small washers, one of the large washers. The rivet's a little easier to hold with the rivet gun. Okay, so it's pushed on. Now we're going to make the hole through the tarp. Just going to get right through the center of the tape. And I'm going to remove the tape. I'm going to apply a little bit of silicone. Okay, that should be plenty. I'm also going to put a little bit of silicone on the washer that goes on the other side. Go ahead and get the rivet through the hole. And now we can put the washer on the back side of the rivet. And then I'm going to go ahead and actuate the rivet gun from the other side. So there we have it. The rivet's in place. We'll take a little bit of the excess silicone, make sure everything's sealed up. And there's our Velcro strap. And that's how we do it.